Students, today we will be solving some question answer given at the end of the lesson. We have already finished studying lesson number 1, and today let us solve some question answers in that lesson. I request you all to open page number 12 from your computer textbook. This is page number 12, children. You all can see page number 12 you can open from your computer textbook. Let us solve the brain developer. You all can see the heading here, that is brain developer. In that they have given section A. Today we are going to solve this section. A. Fill in the blanks with the help of the hints given below. At the right side they have given some hints. Hints are like bills, cars, records, orders. So these 4 hints they have given. You have to match which is suitable for the particular fill in the blanks. Example, let me solve the first one. A computer works on a human dash. A computer works on human dash. What will be the right answer, children, here? You all know computer cannot work without human order. So, the right answer will be the order. You all can see the order here. A computer works on a human order. So, I am going to write here the right answer, that is order. Now, let us solve the second one. A computer is used for keeping dash of all items. In computer, what you can keep of all items? Either it is a bill, cars, records. Which will be the right answer, children? Correct. That is, a computer is used for keeping a records. Records of all items. Like that way you can solve the remaining 2 examples. Now let us go to the second one, that is B. Write T. If the given sentence is true, then you have to write T over there. That is true or false. If it is not correct, then you have to mention over the F. F is false. So in this given box, you all can write whether it is true or F. Let me read the first one. First, we cannot draw pictures on a computer. Is it true, children? False. Yes, we can draw a picture in a computer. What do we use to draw a picture in a computer, children? Correct. That is paint program. So this is false. Why it is false? Because they have told we cannot draw pictures on computer, whereas we can draw a pictures in computer. So this will be the false here. So I am going to mention F in the box. You all can see I have written F over here. Why F is that? Because it is the given statement is false. Now let me go for the next one. Desktop computers are big in size. Is it, children? There are 4 types of computer you all have studied in the lesson. That is desktop computers, laptop computers, smartphones and tablet. Which is the bigger one? Which will be the big in size? Correct. So desktop computer are big in size. So this statement, the given statement is true. In this box, I am going to write T over here. Like that way, you can solve the given 2 examples. Now let us go for the match the following. C. Match the following. You all have to match. Either you can draw a line or you can put the numbers over here. Now, At the A side, they have given to send rockets, to print bills. It has a touch screen, making timetable, to book tickets. These are the sentences which are given at the A side. Now let me see what is given in the B. Tablet, schools, space, railway and airports, shops. To send the rocket, where we send the rocket? We send the rockets to space. So the right answer will be space over here. I am going to join this line to the space because it is somewhere related to the rocket. The space and rocket are related to each other. Now, to print bills. To print bills, computers are used in shops. So I'm going to draw a line here. Bills and shops are having a close relation. So I have drawn a line here. You all can see this line. Now, it has a touch screen. Which is having a touch screen here, children? Either it is a school, tablet or railway and airports. The right answer will be tablet. So the tablet is having touch screen. So I have joined this to a correct match. Like that way, you can also solve this remaining examples. Now let us go to the section B, page number 13. You all can open a section B that is there in page number 13. I request you all to open page number 13. Turn the page, you will get it. Now, let us read A in the section B. Tick the right answer. What will be the right answer? You have to tick. They have given 3 options here. These are the objectives which they have given. Now, let me read the first one. A dash does not have a feelings. Computer, human, none of this. You all can see there are 3 options here. Which is not having feelings? Is it human which is not having feeling? No, it is a false. A computer is not having feeling because it is an electronic machine. So I am going to put a tick mark over there. You all can see how I am putting a tick mark in the box. So the right answer will be a computer does not have feelings. Like that way you can solve the second one. A dash can be kept on a lap. Which kind of computer can be kept on a lap? Either it is palm top, laptop, desktop. Which will be the right answer? You have to tick that. Example, the laptop is the option. So I am going to tick mark over here. The name itself shows that this kind of computer is kept on the lap. So it is a laptop. Now let us read the third one. A dash lets you make calls, send messages and store phone numbers. Either it is a calculator which lets you make call, send messages and store phone numbers. Either it is smartphone or none of this. So the right answer will be a smartphone. With the help of the smartphone, we can call to anybody or we can send messages or we can store a phone numbers. So I am going to put a tick mark over here. Now fourth one, you all can solve in your home. Now let us go for the B. That is, answer the following questions. You all have to answer the following questions. In that first one, let me read. Name the 3 types of computer. Which are the 3 types of computer? Any 3 types of computer can be written here. The 3 types of computer I am going to write here. First one is desktop computer. This will be the first one. So I am going to give you a number. And the second one, which I know, that is laptop. And the third one that is smartphone. So like this you can write the any 3 types of computers. Second one, mention any 2 features of a computer. Yes. First one, what will be the first feature of computer, children? Yes. Computer can store storing a large amount of amount of information. So this will be the first feature in the sense the qualities of computer. Second one, computers are any 2 features you can write. Computers are more accurate and it does not make any mistakes. Now let me read the third one. Name any 2 places where computers are used. Yes. I am going to write here first place, that is schools. You all can see the computers in a school. And second one, I am going to write here shopping mall. So these are the 2 places where I have seen computers. They use computers there. Now, question number 4 and 5 you all can solve in home. And I believe that this session was useful to you all. Let us solve the remaining examples which are there in this brain developer. There are two questions which I have left in the each question number. So perform that all and send it to me. Thank you.